Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix a PC game install error and installation issue using virtual memory setting. To do this, you just need to go to search menu and type control panel, click on open it. On right side, view by set this to category and select the system and security option. Select the system, select the advanced system settings. If you are using Windows 7, then you can able to see on the left side. Select the advanced system settings. Under performance, select settings. Select the advanced tab. Under virtual memory, select change. Now you just need to uncheck automatically manage paging file size for all drives. In this drive list, you just need to select the drive where the game is installed. For example, in my case, I have only C drive. If you installed the game in C drive, then you just need to select the C drive in this list. After that, you just need to find out how much RAM installed in your PC. In my case, 8 GB RAM installed in my PC. After knowing that, you just need to check my video description for this installation size and maximum size. Just to copy the value depends on your RAM. In my case, 8 GB, so I'm copying this value. Select here custom size and paste it. Maximum size, you just need to do same thing, copy the value depends on our RAM and paste in maximum size and select the set option. Now the values should be set under paging file size next to the drive and select OK option. Select apply and OK. Select OK. Select the restart now option and restart OPC. After restarting, you just need to search run. Click on open it. In run window, you just need to type percentage temp percentage. Click on OK. Whatever in here, you just need to select any folder and press in keyboard Ctrl plus A to select all. Just right click on it and select delete it. Check mark do this for all current items and select continue. And you just need to check mark this and select skip if anything is not deletable. And now just to close tab here and again go to search menu and type run. Now type temp and click on OK. Now delete whatever files in here. Do this for all current items and select skip. And after getting done, just to close tab here. Now you just need to go to search menu and type clean. Click on open the disk cleanup. You just need to check mark all these boxes listed over here, guys. After check marking it, select OK and select delete files. These files are temporary files, guys. And now you can install the game without having any problem. And that's it for today's video, guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.